Hi, I'm Omar, co-founder of Ticmint, and in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how to launch your first event. It's simpler than you think. Let's get you live.
Alright, so this is where we begin setting up your event. To start with, let's add a banner image. I've already prepared the banner images for this demo. The reason we ask for them in different sizes is to make sure they are compatible with different devices. Now, if you don't have a graphic designer to prepare these for you, I recommend using a platform like Canva. On Canva, you can create these banner images and you can easily resize them. Next, let's go ahead and give the event a name. So in this event, I'll call it DJ Woof Live in London. A party like no other. Okay, so you go ahead and choose the event date and time. So it can be also a recurring event if you're hosting it on a monthly or weekly basis, but for this example, I'm gonna stick to the single event. Next, we choose our venue, London Stadium for this example, and then you can verify the address from down here. Next is we need a description for the event. So I've prepared something for this demo here, and I'm just gonna copy it from my notepad and then paste it here into the event description. So if your event requires RSVP, you can just switch on the toggle button from here. You can also have a require approval option, but this will require you to have a pro plan, so you will need to make sure that you upgrade your subscription to make use of this feature. We also have seat plans available, so we can help you digitize and build an entire seat plan for your venue or your event. To do this, please get in touch with our team and we'll be happy to set it up for you. Now, I'm gonna hit continue. And you can see that our event has now been created successfully. What we need to do next is create the tickets and the sections. So if you have different sections in the venue, you can go ahead and enter them from here. If you don't have different sections, you can just leave this blank and enter the venue capacity. So in this case, let's assume the venue capacity is 500 people. If you have an image, you can add it here, which will be added to the ticket. If not, you can just leave this blank. Go ahead and hit the save button. And then next, we need to add the ticket type. So I'll go ahead and click on the add ticket type button. I'll give the ticket type a name, so general admission for this one. Okay, if you have different ticket types within the venue capacity, you can distribute them from here. If you have a different ticket type, such as VIP, you can put 200 VIP and 300 general admission. In this example, we just have one ticket type, so I'll use the entire limit to this ticket type. And then I'll put the ticket price as £20. I just want to touch up quickly on the advanced settings here. You can add a tax type here. So for me, I'm currently in the UK in London, so I can quickly select my region for compliance purposes, and I'll add VAT, which in London is 20%, and then I'll go ahead and create the tax. And it has now successfully been created. And if you want to create a discounted, say the ticket was 30 and now it's 20, you can just enter the number 30 here. I'm not going to do that for now. And then you can limit tickets per user, and you can have, if you have early bird tickets or different types of tickets that are released in different timelines, you can even configure that from here. I'm not gonna do any of that now. I just wanted to touch upon it quickly. So I'll go ahead and hit the save button from what I've already done. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click on the next publish button down here. And now, I just hit the publish now button for my event to go live. And there it is. Our event has now been published successfully. If you scroll down, you can see the link of your event. You can see a QR code that you can share on your posters and marketing material. you can invite users using our built-in email marketing, and then you can get an iframe which you can embed directly onto your website. Let me show you now how your listing page will look like to your audience. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link and paste it into my browser. And this is exactly how people will see your event when they come to buy your tickets. And up here you will have the logo which you would have uploaded when you started the onboarding process. And in another video, I'll show you how to customize the entire page here, from the backgrounds to the fonts, even the button colors, to match your look and your feel and your theme. Until then, I want to wish you all the best with your events. I'm excited to see the type of events that we're going to be hosting here on Ticmint. And don't forget that our support team is always here to help you with any concerns you may have. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching, and all the best.